Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to manage reading preferences on Wikipedia. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to manage reading preferences on Wikipedia. Maybe because you want to customize the app according to what you like, because you read a lot on this app, so you want to make something that could be good for your eyesight when you're reading it. Like you want to change the color themes, you want to make the text size bigger, smaller, you want to make the pictures on the Wikipedia dim, light, or maybe dark one according to what you prefer the most. Or there could be any other reason for you to change the reading preferences on Wikipedia. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Wikipedia app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you also have created your account on it and also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Wikipedia to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have many options almost all over the screen, and different articles, news that are getting trending in these days will appear on your For You or Home page, or you could say Explore page. Now here you could see the text here and everything. Now we will see how we can change it. So we have to click on this icon settings. Once you click on it, first you will read the title of settings, and there you will see different option. Every option here is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs in this app. So from all these options, we have this option which says reading preferences. Right now it is set on default. Once you tap on it, first you will see this option through which you could edit the theme of the app. So here we have four different options. You can select any one of these. You can try one by one, and whichever suits the most to you, you can apply that option, and after that the theme will work according to it. It's all up to you. Other than that, we have some options at the bottom, like you can also dim the images on the app so that it doesn't irritate your eyes. And other than that, we have different options at the bottom. You could see you may turn it on or turn it off, and we have another option at the last. With the help of that, you could either make the text size bigger or smaller. If you're a person who prefers smaller one, then you can keep it small, but otherwise you can make the text bigger if you want the bigger text. So that's how you can customize all these things based on whatever you prefer. You may change the theme and different things, and the app will work according to it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you could manage reading preferences on Wikipedia. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.